Hi, Dave here for Rose Corporation with a look at our American-made stainless steel universal wheel simulators with our patented adjustable ring mounting system. The mounting system adjusts to accommodate the bolt circle and the depth of the wheel, which makes it truly universal. This universal system fits hub-piloted and stud-piloted drive axle dual wheels, 8 or 10 lug, steel, or aluminum. And since it mounts to the axle end, it does not disturb the torque of the wheel lug nuts. The first thing you'll notice is that the deep inside of these rear covers simulate the look of aluminum wheels. This really gives your truck an outstanding appearance. Competitor wheel covers simply mimic the look of plain steel wheels. Match with our front simulators to complete the package. This simulator is available in either a mirror shine finish or a durable black powder coated finish. Each is made from heavy gauge, high quality, non-magnetic 304L stainless steel, which means they will not rust pit or corrode. That's why we are able to offer a lifetime guarantee on the workmanship of each simulator. Hand polished in our in-house buffing department, the mirror shine finish is also guaranteed for life. The simulators come standard with our high quality stainless steel braided valve extensions for easy air pressure monitoring and access. Extensions conveniently and securely attached to the mounting ring. In fact, the entire system is DOT user-friendly. Installation is easy. Simply mount the ring bracket onto the axle end, adjust the bracket height using the included adjustment square, attach the extensions, and install the simulator.